Now we kindly invite our dear Linu Kochama to unveil and present this year's Christmas Carol theme.
Welcome you all to this holy and joyous Christmas Eve. As we gather together, let us reflect on a moment from over 2000 years ago. A moment that forever changed the world. It was a time filled with unrest, fear, and despair, much like our own. In the midst of this darkness, God took the initiative to deliver his people, and in the little town of Bethlehem, love was born. Love was born to a young mother who was seemingly unsuitable and unprepared, gave herself fully to God's will. Love was born to a man who struggled with doubt and societal pressure, yet risked his dignity and reputation to embrace God's redemptive plan. Love entered a world marred by selfishness and unjust power. The authorities, fearing the arrival of innocence and truth, showered their cruelty by seeking to destroy it. Love emerged amid uncertainty, vulnerability, and fear. It arrived not in a grand place, but in a humble stable, in the most unlikely of places. Wise visitors travel from afar to honor the newborn child with gifts symbolizing his role as priest, king, and prophet. At the same time, love was welcomed by humble shepherds, those considered lowly and forgotten by society. On this sacred night, we remember that love was born when it was most needed. Love took root among the poor, the outcast, and the marginalized. And it continues to be born today in an unexpected places, in moments we least anticipated and through people we often overlook. Love comes to us in relationship we believe are beyond repair. It appears in the faces of those who are different from us. It waits for us in the task that need our commitment, in the songs that need our voices, and in the peace our hearts long for. Because God became human and walked among us, everything has changed. Christ's birth is not just a historical event, it is an invitation for love to be continually reborn in us. This Christmas, may we open our hearts to receive God's love. May we share that love with those around us, with our families, our neighbors, and even those we struggle to understand. Let us remember, love is born in you each time we choose kindness, compassion, and forgiveness. Here we reveal the theme for our Christmas Carol 2024, that is, love is born. Yes, നമുക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ച് സന്തോഷത്തോടെ എല്ലാവർക്കും ചേർന്ന് പറയാം. Yes, love is born. May the miracle of this night fill us with joy, hope, and a renewed commitment to love. Merry Christmas, and may God's love be born in each of us tonight and always. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wow, Kochama and Sunday School children, that was indeed a splendid and unique way of theme presentation.
Truly amazing. Thank you, dear Kochima and the little ones, for this wonderful presentation.